In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks Online to efficiently sync your data with spreadsheets, enabling you to create custom reports and gain valuable insights. Let's dive right in and start from the beginning. First, I'd like you to head over to QuickBooks Online and log into your account. If you've done this before, you know the drill. Once you're in, you'll see a familiar dashboard with all your key business information. If you're new to QuickBooks, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and options available to you. This interface will be your hub of financial data and insights. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side menu panel and click on the Reports section. This is the starting point for creating reports and analyzing your financial data. It's like having your very own analytics center, showing you the health of your business at a glance. Next up, and this is where it gets interesting, you need to click on Spreadsheet Sync. This feature is incredibly helpful as it allows you to securely send data back and forth between QuickBooks and your spreadsheet application. This ensures that your data is always up to date, providing you with custom insights based on real-time information. With Spreadsheet Sync, you can create charts and graphs in spreadsheets, adding a visual element to your financial narratives. Plus, it supports a two-way sync, where you can add or edit data in bulk and then sync it back to QuickBooks. For today, we'll focus on running the report in Excel. Spreadsheet Sync functions as an add-in, allowing seamless data transfer between QuickBooks and Microsoft Excel. If it's your first time using this feature, your browser might prompt you to open Excel. Go ahead and allow it, and when Excel opens, make sure to select Trust this add-in. This will enable the add-in to function properly. Then sign into QuickBooks with your Intuit account credentials. It's a straightforward process aimed at ensuring all your data is secure. Once you're signed in, click on Next to proceed. This step is about running your reports in Excel, enriching your experience with QuickBooks data. You'll need to select the specific report you want to run, choose any filters that are necessary to narrow down the data, and then run the report. Additionally, you'll have the convenience of refreshing this report whenever you need the latest data. Finally, click on Let's Go. This initiates the final step of your reporting process. By now, you should have a well-organized Excel spreadsheet populated with accurate and customized QuickBooks data. You can manipulate this data further, create more detailed analyses, or simply enjoy the clarity it brings. And that's it! You've successfully synced your QuickBooks data with Excel using Spreadsheet Sync. Remember, whether you're handling single or multiple companies, this tool streamlines your reporting process significantly. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more QuickBooks tutorials.